everyone, I'm Raji from Raji's Craft Hobby. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the pattern for this textured coaster. Let's start off with the magic circle. And chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. This is just to bring your yarn to working height. Now in the magic circle, make 12 double crochets. Now pull this yarn in to close the loop and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet which you made. This is your chain 2 and this is your first double crochet. Round 2, chain 2. This chain 2 it will never be counted as a stitch, and now one double crochet in the same stitch. Now one front post double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this all around. This is your last stitch. Here you will make one front post double crochet and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet which you made. Now next round, start with chain 2. And one front post double crochet, and in the next stitch 2 double crochet. Again the next stitch, one front post double crochet, the next stitch 2 double crochets. Repeat this all around. Last stitch, you will make 2 double crochets and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end of this round you should have 36 stitches. Okay. Okay, the next round, start with chain 2 and 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 front post double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this. That's 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 front post double crochet in the next stitch. At the end of this round, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet in the next stitch, and again 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. That's 3 double crochets, and in the next stitch 2 front post double crochet. Now repeat this. There's 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and the next stitch 2 front post double crochet. One and 2. Now repeat this all around. This is your last stitch. Now you will make 2 front post double crochet, and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet which you made. At the end of this round, you should have 60 stitches. The last round, start with chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet which you have made and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this pattern. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.